In this video I'm going to show you how to hide Instagram friends list. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. Once you are on Instagram, you can open up some Instagram profile, and here you got information about that person's followers. So actually that's my account. I got the followers, and any user can hit their @followers and see them if they want. And if you want to hide your followers list from other people, all you have to do is hit their add menu icon. Next, tap on settings, then tap add privacy, and here tap there where it says private account. Just toggle on this option. So now I have just made my account private, and from now non-followers is not able to get access to my followers list, but your followers are still able to see that information. And the only way to hide that information for your followers is just remove some person from your follower list. So just hit here at followers, and let's say I want to hide my followers list from that person, and all I have to do in that case is just hit there at remove button, hit there at remove again to remove that person from my followers. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.